I'm Jatin Chaudhary. I'm the co-founder of HR Network. We host engaging startup networking meetups in 25 global startup cities. We have a lot of interesting online video series going on, and this particular one is a latest one, a business roller coaster. A founder's journey has a lot of ups and downs. So, idea is to invite some of our friends to come and share their experiences about the ups and downs that they are facing in their businesses. Today's guest is Sheetal Bhatia, who is the CEO of Govardhan Greens Resorts in Dwarka. So, thank you so much, Sheetal bhai, for joining in.
My pleasure.
Shidhar, can you tell us a little more about what is Govardhan Greens Resorts?
Govardhan Green is an eco resort located in Dwarka, spread across 3 acres of land, having huge open spaces and greenery. It is supposed to be the first ever professionally managed company in Dwarka in hospitality industry. Way back in 2011. As a matter of fact, recently we have completed 9 years of our operations.
And what's the founding story of Govardhan Greens?
To start with, I am basically raising from Dwarka. Dwarka is happened to be my native place. I observe that a lot of isolation place, which is not a typical tourist place, where we find a lot of small resorts. They do sustain, right? Maybe a small resort of. Then idea struck up to my mind way back in 2009. Let us what used to be there prior to 2009 in Dwarka were only budget hotels. I decided, why don't we have a professionally managed company, a resort kind of a thing in city like Dwarka, wherein not only we have got only the niche crowd, but also a tourist crowd. So that's how entire story has started about 9 years back, and today it is the history. Right?
And what are this is 2020, what are the interesting numbers about your business?
We have grown from zero to we become the biggest property in that particular region by financial year 14-15. Subsequently, a lot of companies, especially after 2016, and things as of today, the market had expanded n number of times. Right now, if we speak today, hospitality industry is going through a transition, specifically at that particular location of Dwarka. But again, this COVID has made some things difficult in terms of the numbers. Numbers are definitely not encouraging as of date. Yes, but we did fantastic job in 2014, 15, 16, 17 kind of years. Last 3 years, including us, entire hospitality industry is struggling.
And Sheetal bhai, the idea of this particular series is ups and downs. Which has been the most happiest moment of your entrepreneurial life?
The day when I opened my resort, okay, because prior to my resort, I had got 0 days of experience into hospitality. I had got zero experience into construction. And to be very honest, I have got almost zero capital once I purchased the land. So with zero pocket, zero experience in hospitality, zero experience in construction, sitting at 250 kilometers away from the location, I was able to turn around right from land leveling to customer check-in within 17 months of time. And that was a great moment of my life.
And which has been the most difficult moment of your entrepreneurial journey? And how did you come out from it?
It is not one. There are many. And as we speak today, this is the most testing time of my entrepreneurial journey. But based on my experience, whenever I, encountered with the difficult time, within few days, I bounced back with a great rigor, great new heights, right? So something happens in the external environment, which invariably happens into any industry, and it affects different player differently in a particular given industry. For example, this COVID, right? So COVID has hit hospitality industry the best, but it may be a good, COVID may be good for maybe pharma industry or healthcare industry. So external symptoms remain same, but the impact of that particular thing remains different across the sector. So right now it is the testing time for hospitality industry.
Yep. And Sheetal bhai, what did you learn in last 9-10 years that the advice that you may want to give to your younger self?
To summarize my learning over spread across last 19 years, I learned two basic rules of the business or two basic rules of the entrepreneurship, right? Rule number one, it pays to be a pioneer. It is good if people do say, Aha, you are pioneer, you are pioneer. But pioneer also has to pay some cost. That is my first learning. My second learning is any business required three kind of different brains. Okay, bearing apart few exceptions, Rajnikant, there are hardly any individual who can have all these three brains. These three brains that I am talking about, that is A, planning brain, B, execution brain, and C, the operation brain. So ideally, as an entrepreneur, you should be knowing your strengths. Over a period of last 9-10 years, I realized my strengths are first two, that is planning and execution. Operation is not my cup of tea. So whatever is your limitation, rather than building upon your limitation or rather than working towards overcoming those limitations, rather you outsource your limitation and capitalize upon your strengths.
Hospitality industry is going through challenges, but what are you excited about the growth opportunities that you see for your business?
See, growth, especially when we talk about hospitality, it is like Dwarka is the location where we are operating. We are sitting on a huge explosive growth trajectory at this point in time, right? Now, if there has not been COVID, then my projection were, that means I'm talking about 2019, last year. Let us assume today is 12th November 2020. So on 12th November 2019, my statement was, if Dwarka will be growing at 50% per annum, the hospitality market of Dwarka will be growing at 50% per annum for next 3 years, I won't be surprised. That was my statement last November. Now, COVID is a force majeure, is an extraordinary situation. It may prolong for maybe a couple of more years, but definitely that growth is going to be there.
Awesome. And Shitalbhai, will get to the rapid fire, so you can give answers without thinking too much. Which is your favorite book?
Right. 7 Habits of Highly Effective People.
And entrepreneurship is a very humbling experience. You need to take favors from everybody. Sometimes we give favors. What is the most recent favor you had to take from someone?
Apart from established banking, there are individual banks like Jatin. So lending money from individual is something the most important favor we have got.
And that is the advice I give to a lot of friends. Have good friends. Right. That will come very handy. And which particular activity you enjoy doing the most?
I enjoyed the lockdown pretty well, and specifically my liking activity like cooking.
Shitalbhai is also a wonderful host. So if you are watching this video and you happen to go to Dwarka, Govardhan Bridge is a must-visit place, and his restaurant is very fantastic. And Shitalbhai, so another thing I wanted to ask is, why should people join Eachai?
Oh, wow. Eachai is a kind of, I would say it's a virtual university. And ultimately, end of the day, you are, whatever business you are into or whatever you are up to, you require a lot of networking. And Eachai is a fantastic network. And I love to be as part of this fantastic network.
Thank you so much. And Shitalbhai, if you were not running Govardhan Greens, what else you would have been doing?
I should have been definitely doing organic farming. And that is something which even I am doing even while running Govardhan Greens. I'm planning my next startup is going to be the agro startup.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Shitalbhai, and we wish you all the best.